see you. Now where am I? I'm in Maldives. Actually, I just finished the 3 days FHAM Exhibition, and I'm glad that many clients were satisfied with our high-end products. One more thing, we meet President, He came to our exhibition and he saw the client we have served, and he gave our recognition and approval to our development work here. Since they know about us, we now have done many projects in Maldives, about 14 resorts here, like Newton, Emerald, from HAM projects. They know us, then he just come by our booth for visiting to check out the product and say, that's very high quality. You see, the President is satisfied with us, so if you are looking for any equipment, just contact us and we are waiting for you.